welcome back to another video with me. So today is going to be another cooking videos. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If this is the first time you are coming into this channel, my name is Amy Thonia. Feel free to call me Amy. Okay, I'm a lifestyle cooking mom vlogger, and I am based here in Italy. So if you love what you see, please consider subscribing and remember to turn on the post notification for more videos. So without talking too much, let's dive into the ingredients for making what we are making today. In case I haven't said that, we are preparing Ayamase stew. Hey, it's gonna be a bomber. You want a bomber? You want to chill with the big boys? Hey, 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 hey. So guys, these are the things I'll be needing for this recipe today, but my spices are not here yet. When I'm ready to add them, I'm going to introduce you guys to the spices. Starting from here, I have my fresh peppers, green and red, and I have this meat here. These are ribs, right? Yeah. Look at them here. Thinking here that anakboha, but I don't know. So I have two scotch bonnet here because I have this pepper here as well, because this one is also hot. This pepper is hot, so for that I am using just two of these one. I have some fish that I'm going to be grilling, and I have some hard chicken in here, already cleaned. Everything here is clean. I have some beef here as well, already clean. And then for spicing a little, I have some parsley and fresh ginger. I'm going to be adding some fresh garlic as well, and I will be showing you guys when I do that. So everything here is washed and cleaned apart from this, and I'm going to be showing you guys while I washed and cleaned this one. So for the meantime, I'm going to start with my meat to boil them a little before I grill them. So guys, we're going to start with the meat. That's my pot already cleaned. I'm going to start with adding this meat. Now and then I'm going to be adding the hard chicken. So everything I'm using to make this thing in terms of protein are kind of hard. So this is it. All of them are in here. I'm going to spice them in right now. So as for the spicing the meat, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder. I'm going to be adding this is cinnamon powder, some paprika as well. So I'm adding this here because these ones I can't get them out with a spoon. A teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to be giving this all a very good mix.
You can always tell the truth if you wait till the end, you know. Evil soul exposing their ways.
guys, so the meat has released its own water. I've not added any water here, and I don't think I'm going to add water. Please guys, ignore any other noise you are hearing. My neighbors are all outside, and they are all making noise there. So I'll just leave this to keep on cooking while I go on with other things I have to do. Here they are. I've already finished cleaning it. I'm going to start blending them right away.
You can always tell the truth if you wait till the end, you know. You can always tell a lie from the fake when the real thing's really slow. Sweet healing.
So guys, after adding the oil, I have to allow it to bleach a little bit, and I have been testing it with this. Let me see. Look at it. So it's still going to bleach a little more before we can start cooking, so that it will remove that palm oil kind of taste, and then it will give it that very taste of Ayamase stew. So guys, this is it. It has fully bleached. Now I'm going to go in with my I'm going to allow this to fry a little bit. So after allowing this to fry a little, you guys can see that it has fried a little. And the next thing that's supposed to go in here is locust beans, but I don't want that, so I'm going straight away with the blended peppers. This Ayamase stew is very versatile. Can use this to eat rice, yam, plantain. I mean, it's a sauce that can go with a lot. I remember back home then when my grandmother used to make something similar like this, and we used to use this to eat those, you know, like August time when there is new yam. But I remember in that her own that time, she used to add leaf veggies like pumpkin leaf, practically made with smoked fish. Wow. If you're in Nigeria, you guys, you will know you can testify if you have experience of a grandmother. Their cooking is always amazing, perfect. So you know, I boiled this pepper, so practically this pepper is already very well cooked, so I'm not going to be allowing it to cook too much. So guys, as this is still cooking, I'm just still gonna go ahead and add this part of meat that I added. If you know this meat very well, you know that it's very strong, it's hard, so it needs a lot of cooking. So I just put it in here now, let it continue cooking before I can now add the rest of the meat and fish. So while I'm cooking the stew to go on, I just want to show you guys quickly the rest things that will go in there. Hard chicken and the beef, and as well the fish. and these are the egg that will be going in there. You guys know that there's no ayamase without egg, so I'm just going to be using these 5 eggs since my kids, in fact, in this house will prefer to go with this meat than this egg. Let me just be sincere, because in this house we love meat. Yes. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding the meat, everything, for the fish, for the chicken, all of them. This is so scrumptious, yummy, yummy. Can use this to enjoy anything of your choice. Anything of your choice. This will go perfectly well with it. Okay, look at that. So guys, at this point I'm just going to go ahead and spice it more a little. In here I have some salt, some seasoning powder, some curry. I already added fresh ginger, I don't need that. And then I have some garlic because I added a little garlic. Sorry, I didn't show you guys anymore when I blended them. And then that's it. Nothing much, not much spicing. And then some pepper, guys, some pepper. So you guys might be wondering that I used to add extra peppers now when I'm cooking. Yes guys, I add extra peppers now. Why? Because my kids eat pepper now, and my husband eats pepper. When I got married to my husband, in my family, we don't really like much pepper like that. But being married to a family where they love pepper, I got to get used to it. So even though I'm not so used to it as like that, I'm still coping. But you can imagine how my kids love pepper. You see that thing they call blood? Blood is powerful. I don't know. So I've gone ahead to add the egg, and this sauce is already done. I'm just going to allow it to bubble up a little more. And so guys, here it is. I've already put off the heat. The stew is ready. This is our Ayamase stew. Very rich and prepared perfectly well. So you may choose to add crayfish, but I decided not to because I already use fish. Too much of fish or crayfish in it, those kind of fish taste might get to spoil the taste of the Ayamase. So that's why, since I already use fish, I didn't add any extra crayfish to this. But this is perfectly, guys, this is awesome, scrumptious. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you love this video, please do it to subscribe and turn on your post notification for more videos. And I'm going to be seeing you guys later. Okay, thanks and bye.